who you feed Dermot. Show me how you feed Dermot.
Okay.
Good boy, Aiden.
Let me eat.
No, you don't eat some yourself. Give it to Dermot. On, Dermot.
Bubby, okay. Bubby, okay. Not mine. Why did?
Good boy, Aiden. Good boy. Dermot, did your brother feed you? Hello, Dermot.
Okay.
Watch Dermot, watch what he's doing. Now, when he moves his hand, then you try and put it in his mouth.
No, no.
You just flicked it on Mum.